Here is a question. Studies say that happiness goes up as you earn more money, but only up to a certain point. After that point, more money does not really help. So at roughly what amount does happiness stop rising? Think about your answer. We will explore it together. Welcome to Ninja English. Today, we learn 5 useful English phrases about money and happiness. I will say each one slowly and clearly. You will hear it, understand it, and use it. Just listen and repeat with me. Let us begin. Our first phrase is well off. If a person is well off, they have plenty of money. They live without money worries. A well-off family can pay every bill and still save. To be well off means you are financially comfortable and secure. Many people dream of being well off. They believe that being well off will make them happy. But is more money always the same as more joy? Our next phrase answers that question. We say, money cannot buy some things. It means money is not able to get everything. Money cannot buy true friendship. Money cannot buy good health or peace of mind. These things are too important for any price. A rich person can feel lonely because money cannot buy real love. So we keep the best things safe in our hearts. But what really matters most in the end? Now, a very useful phrase. The bottom line is the most important fact. It is the main point after all the talk. In business, the bottom line can mean the final profit. But in life, the bottom line is often simpler. The bottom line is that we need enough, not everything. So what is the bottom line about money and happiness? The bottom line is this: money helps, but it is not the whole story. So how much money do we actually need to feel okay? This brings us to the word comfortable. When you have enough money for your needs, your life is comfortable. A comfortable life means no big money stress. You can pay for food, a home, and small joys. You do not need to be rich to feel comfortable. Research shows that once life is comfortable, extra money adds little happiness. Being comfortable is often enough for peace. But some experiences are worth far more than comfort. What are they? Our last word is priceless. Something priceless is so valuable that no price is high enough. A child's laugh is priceless. A sunset with a friend is priceless. Priceless does not mean expensive. It means beyond any price at all. These priceless moments cannot be bought, only lived. So collect priceless memories, not just money. In the end, the priceless things make life full. Now repeat after me, slowly. My neighbor is well off, but he still feels lonely. Money cannot buy the priceless time I spend with my family. The bottom line is that a comfortable life is enough. 5 new words, and now they are yours. Quick test. What is one priceless thing in your life that money cannot buy? Write your answer in the comments. Subscribe to Ninja English for a new lesson from real life every day. See you next time.